everyone, my name is Romanus Fikri, NIM 152411148. Here, I will discuss about healthy campus, bright future. Let's eradicate smoking in our environment. Dear lecturers and all fellow students, praise be to Almighty God for His blessing and mercy. So what that we can gather on this auspicious occasion. Prayers and greetings might be poured out to the Prophet Muhammad SAW, his family, friends, and all these people until the end of time. Well, here I will talk about eradicating cigarettes in the campus environment. The problem of smoking in today's campus environment is an increasingly urgent issue for us to discuss together. We often encounter the sick of student engrossed in smoking cigarettes of the sidelines of lecture activities in the campus parking area. In fact, we all know that cigarette smoke contains thousands of harmful chemicals that can damage health, not only for active smoker but also for passive smoker. The campus environment should be a conducive place for the teaching and learning process. However, the presence of cigarette smoke can interfere with concentration, reduce productivity, and damage the air quality around us. In addition, smoking can also cause various serious diseases such as lung cancer, heart disease, and respiratory disorders. Therefore, I invite all friends to be jointly committed to creating a healthy campus environment and free from cigarette smoke. Some of the things we can do are socialization of the dangers of smoking. Let's actively disseminate information about the dangers of smoking to the entire academic community. Create a non-smoking zone. We can propose to the campus to designate certain zones as non-smoking areas, such as in lecture buildings, libraries, canteens, and sport areas. Provide support for smokers who want to quit. For friends who want to quit smoking, we can provide moral support and information on effective ways to quit smoking. The selain cigarette offers, don't hesitate to decline cigarettes offer from friends or anyone. That way we participate in the reducing the number of smokers. Ladies and gentlemen, let's make your campus an example of a healthy and clean environment. By creating an environment free of cigarette smoke, we are not only protecting our own health, but also the health of those around us. That is the aspect I can deliver. Hopefully, what I convey will be useful for all of us. Thank you for the time and opportunity that has been given to me. I thank you.
A few moments later.
Hello everyone. The question was understanding. Question words are a type of word which is used in language to ask for certain information or facts. The word question is used when we want to get further explanation or ask for an answer to a question. Next. Function. The main function of the word integrator is to ask questions and obtain the necessary information. The word question allows you to explore and gain new knowledge about a particular topic or situation. Next, the shape of the question words. The word question has several commonly used forms, including number one, what question? Example, what do you do? Number two, ask who. Example, what is the name of the President of Indonesia? Number three, question when. Example, when does the event take place? Number four, what is the question? Example, where do you live? Number five, ask why. Example, why did you choose this major? Number six, ask how. Example, how to operate the machine. Number seven, how much is the question? Example, how much does a plane ticket cost? Next, types of question words. There are several types of interrogative words. The words that are often used. There are the there are several example of question types and their uses. What to ask? The interrogative word what is used to ask the identity or nature of an object or thing. Example of sentence that use the question what are, what is it, or what's your favorite color? Color. Next. Hmm. Question word when. Question word when. The question word when is used to ask about the time of an event or incident. Example of sentence what use the question word when will you come or when will the event start. Next, B. Question word why. The question word why is used to ask the reason or cause of something. Example of sentence that use the question word why. Then you come or why was he angry? Next, question word who. The question word who is used to ask about someone's identity. Example of this of sentence that use the question word who. Uh, what is your mother's name? What is your mother's name? Or who? What is your father? Next, the question word what. The question word what is used to ask about a person activities. Example of a sentence that uses the question word what. What is what are you doing? Or what are you doing? Next, question word how. The question word how is used to ask about the method or condition of something. Example of sentence that use the question word how. Uh, how do you make a cake? Or how are you? Next, question word whom. Whom was whom was used to ask about the person who has the status of subject. Then whom is a type of question word for the person whom has the position of object or recipient of the action for the subject. So you don't get confused. Pay attention to the example below. Number one, whom are you going with? Number two, whom did you see in the morning? Next, question word was. If you if you ask what is the difference between was and whom, the difference is was is a question word to ask about possession. How can you use it in sentence? Look at the following examples. Number one, whose are these novels? Number two, whose car is that? Number two, whose car is that? Next, question word where. Where? Question word where. If you want to fill out information about the location or place, destination, and position of someone or something. Of course, the right question word to use is where. Example of question sentence. Number one, where do you where number one, where do number one, where do they live? Number two, where is your mom? Next, how to use question words. To use interrogative words correctly, pay attention to the following. Number one, place number one, place the interrogative word at the beginning of the sentence or question. Example, what are you plans for this vacation? Number two, use the right intonation when asking question. Number three, adapt the question to the context of the question you want to ask. For example, you use the question who to ask about someone's identity. Next, what is the difference between a question word and a connecting words? Question words are used to ask for specific information or facts, while connecting words are used to connect words, phrases, or sentence in a sentence. Connecting words do ask for information, but would rather convey, convey the relationship between the elements in a sentence. Next, question words is question words in the question words in other language. Yes, every language has a question word that is used to ask information. For example, in English, the interrogative word "what" is often used, while in Spanish, the interrogative word "qui" is often used. Next, the question words always use question marks. Yes, when using the word question in our question, the question mark should be used at the end of the sentence or question to indicate that is that 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 it is a question. Hopefully, this article can provide an clearer understanding of what is meant by the word question. Next, the importance of knowing the meaning and function of question words. A good, a good understanding of the meaning and function of the word question is very important in communicating. By knowing the meaning of the word question, we can use the right word when we want to ask something. For example, if we want to ask about the time of an event, we we use the word when instead of other interrogative words. In addition, understanding the function of interrogative words is also important in the formation of correct sentence. By knowing the function of the question words, we can set the position of the question word correctly in the sentence. Next, conclusion. Conclusion. In daily communication, understanding the word question is very important. By knowing the meaning or by knowing the meaning and function of the word question, we can use the right word in asking for information or explanations. This understanding is also important in the formation of correct sentence. Therefore, simple exercise can be done the deepen our understanding of the word question. Thus, we can communicate it more actively and skillfully. Thank you.